Hello everyone and welcome to Raccoon's Radio Ranch. I wish I didn't have to say this, but this video is made for those of you who are in Hurricane Ian's path. Florida, the Carolinas, Georgia, any of those, anywhere that it's going to hit. There is a hurricane watch net on 40 meters lower sideband. If you have an emergency, you can go there. There is also one, you can hear somebody talking now, on 14.325 upper sideband on 20 meters. Please, if you have any kind of a life-threatening situation where you need assistance in any way, please go to one of these two frequencies and seek help or seek assistance. These are the hurricane watch nets, and there are people there monitoring them and helping people who need assistance. So please go to one of these two frequencies, which is 7.268 on 40 meters and 14.325 on 20 meters. If you are on CB and you don't have access to a ham radio, please try channel 9 or channel 19. That's where the most traffic will be. If you find nobody there, rotate around through the 1 through 40 and look to see if you can find anybody talking. Again, 7.268 on 40 meters and 14.325 on 20 meters both have designated hurricane watch nets activated right now for anybody in the path of Hurricane Ian. If you need any assistance, please go to one of those two frequencies and see if you can get somebody to help you. And if you have access to a CB, try channel 19 or channel 9 for any assistance that you may be able to get, or look for any activity anywhere from 1 through 40 and see if there's anybody talking and see if you can get assistance. Thank you.